Morning, brother.
Mornings. Not very morning already, actually.
Morning, brother.
Afternoon, bro.
Great match.
Hey. No, we don't talk about this in the morning, man. Daniel James.
Gutted.
Daniel James.
All in love.
Same. We are going to. We're going to find a guy to get our J-Hook. James Hook. James Cook.
James Cook.
You go his house.
Oh, play FIFA.
Let's start here, you drink so much water.
I never refill lah.
According to the forecast, it's raining lah.
Wow, they cats and dog, bro.
Good, very cloudy now.
Now we're cycling.
Hi guys.
Is your chest going to be okay?
My chest view.
But you'll be down a bit because it's cycling.
Yeah, okay, try. Yeah, let's say I try it. But hey,
Nah, then we will just higher.
yeah, we adjust higher.
Why is it too tight for you or not? Hey, but hi guys. We're Bangkok. 11:42 and we haven't hit our checkpoint yet. My dad say we will have to do it overnight.
It's a challenge accepted.
Yeah, I don't know lah. We got our torchlight prepared already. This is how huge it is.
We are close to 12 km distance, 1 hour 12 minutes.
Wow. 12 km about all the way straight
Ang-Mo-Kio Park Connector.
all the way straight.
Oh, so now it's Ang-Mo-Kio Park Connector. Ang-Mo-Kio. Ang-Mo-Kio Linear Park. Okay lah, we go to Bishan, Macritchie, Kim Hawk, Botanic Garden.
Use your phone, take a photo lah.
Hey, you're quiet. Oh, let's go. Okay, pit stop guys.
Wow.
Huh? Nothing. Oh, no. That was messed up. That was absolutely messed up, bro.
Cameraman don't want to watch this, right?
I was busy lah.
You busy what?
Testing the camera.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Alright, pumping up with our diesel.
Body diesel.
Funny
Great thinking, sir.
funny guy.
Sick idea.
Okay.
I'm damn childish.
The door's all open.
Oh crap!
It's raining guys, it's raining man. It's raining man.
Easy just now the whole stretch, I didn't even cycle. I cycled with my brakes. I didn't even need a pedal. Pretty simple.
Boo. Now we are at Upper Thompson Road. Caesar's cut, curry rice.
Caesar's cut.
And the weather is I mean it's nice but
It's a perfect weather for sleeping.
but we are here lah. We are here. Okay, dig in friends.
I feel like an Iron Man right now. I'm gonna have the particle beam and then the beam come out. Alright, and so now that we are here for our next break.
Super tea guys.
We are here at this okay, so it was Brian need his daily dose of coffee. So this is ice white.
Snow White.
Yeah, I nearly said Snow White. Yeah, how much?
$6, okay lah.
$6 for this. Please go ahead.
Cheers guys.
Ice latte.
So you see our table here is completely empty.
McDonald's ice latte.
We're just watching him.
Really? Strong.
You can taste that the ice is white.
It's definitely different from McDonald's.
Not sweet I would say.
It's not sweet, but it's
Like it's kind of walao
So if you want to come to this place, it's actually just opposite of where we eat our curry rice. We didn't even travel far lah. Yeah, actually we kind of, oh crap, it's drizzling again. Look at it, it's drizzling again.
What go the other side? What Windsor Nature Park?
Okay, so we are here. Just now we were here. So we just finished lunch and dessert. On our way back, we may come back here for creamier waffle with ice cream. So there's a Macritchie Reservoir Park. Okay, so we just passed McRitchie Reservoir Park. Now we are at some cemetery. Bukit Brown Cemetery. Nearby. We'll come back at the end of this stretch. Hello. So now the weather has been very hot. It's only been 15 minutes. So we're a bit lost because the road is
a bit complicated. It's a bit haywire.
yeah, I don't know what they're doing here. So I think this is the bridge that we're supposed to cross over to bring us to Adam Road. This is actually quite tough. Oh, here's the view, man. There's the view, the other side. Yeah, so we just crossed Kim Huat Road. We went past Bukit Brown Cemetery. Now we're at some rich people's house. I don't understand why is this part of the coast to coast trail. Then correct what? One of the checkpoint is Botanic Garden, right?
We go straight and turn right, then we reach the other checkpoint.
Okay.
Hey?
But we didn't follow the...
Here also Kim Huat Road.
Yeah, we just go straight first.
Okay. Hey, car behind. Wait. It's just yeah, there's another house. Sorry, there's another car. Oh my gosh.
Sick house, bro.
I didn't know there's another house.
Yeah, I didn't know the house can move.
Just one mistake, guys. Just one mistake only, right? And then that's it, right? Just one mistake.
Go lah!
Hey, this is the only part where we are riding on the road. Otherwise, it's not recommended. Actually, you should ride that side, yeah. There's a pavement there. There's a pavement there. There's a pavement there beside us.
Sorry.
Oh. Okay, Danan Road. We are at the west. I know where's this place already. Yeah, Bukit Timah right ahead, man. Danan Road.
We should cross then.
We should cross. Okay. Time now is 2:43. We are at Botanic Garden.
10 plus? Or 11?
So we are having gonna have our second lunch here. Thank you. We gotta get that into recording. I thought he's talking to you. Okay, so we just passed 6th Avenue, Tan Kaki, and such. Oh, so right in front is King Albert Park. Here's the board. Okay, hi. So we have officially given up. We are at Beauty World. So we are locking our bikes here. And so then we'll take MRT home. We'll continue this journey tomorrow. No, we are here for a break, especially for Brian's bike. Look at his seat. It's like I don't know what to say. This is like, oh, it's really painful just looking at the seat itself. Whereas Theo's seat is a very it's like memory foam like that, you know? Yeah. So we are back here the next day to continue our journey. Our bikes thankfully are still here. Nobody's stolen them.
Nobody's still there.
Yeah, nobody. Oh wow, grammar there. Nobody steal.
Everyone still how to store.
You just kicked my bike. So we're gonna carry on our journey. Okay, so we passed Jurong East. We saw J-Cube. Now we're on our way to the lakeside under the MRT track. Oh, that hurts. Oh, very bad road. It's like some roller coaster. So this Chinese garden, we're here. We're reaching the starting point. Always come here to this MRT station, but I don't actually come to the park. Now the sun is setting, it's very hot. It'd be good if we can swim or something. So whatever we have done just now, we just need to do the same thing lah. Whatever we've done just now. Yeah. We just need to backtrack, yeah. So all the uphills will be downhill, all the downhill will be uphill. I want to stand here some more. Oh.
It's a good go there.
So we're done now.
Yeah.
Can we go to shit first? Just saying the bak kut teh is here. Damn good, yeah, damn good. One of the best bak kut teh I've ever had. So now that we are here, right?
Hey, where you want to go now?
Go home ah.
Hey, I go here.
I don't think anybody want to come here.
If we go back, it's the same way, or we can go back here again.
Hey, we're here. It's real. We should take a photo.
Yeah, good.
Anything to say? So we are looking at otters right now.
Yeah, we really got too much time to look at otters, right?
Time is 4:49. We finish.
Wow, got 2 pack eh.
Finish near.
Hey, they fighting, bro. Okay, now we are where? J Cube, outside J Cube. At our pit stop for our drink. Then we are going to go back to Coney Island. Yeah, it'll be a long ride back.
Okay, so now Q is on the floor.
Wow, it's like triathlon eh.
Yeah.
The same feeling. Okay, let's go.
You got the other leg.
Wow, my this leg really cannot. That's why I stand very long. Oh, I cannot eh. Like triathlon, yeah. The second time in my life, my thigh cramp. Yeah.
Jeez, health lord.
I still think.
Wow, I cannot eh.
Just now you informed I thought you damn strong eh.
I cannot eat. That's why I say damn pain. Both.
You take my
On
this
our way
recording?
back.
Yes,
Yeah, it's still recording.
we are.
Terrible
This
slope
is
eh.
6 hours of cycling.
Yeah, you're the last person I thought.
Yeah,
That
exactly.
went down.
Is that a triathlon?
Yeah, the same one. Like you run, then cramp eh. Thanks.
Okay, my friends, we have reached back to Pongo. Very soon. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Now is I don't know. I think you can see 78.08 km, 8 hours. Guys, you cycle for 8 hours. Dead deep. Never gonna touch the bike again.
Keep the seat.
Hey, this one okay, I shouldn't say. You shouldn't reveal too much information. We wrap it up. So, will you do this again? Will you walk? Okay, don't say cycle. Will you walk?
See how small.
Will you walk? No, will you walk and take MRT back? Or take MRT and walk back?
No lah.
Maybe but highly unlikely.
For me, I'll cycle again. No problem. I'll walk. No
Cycle
issues.
but not the same.
I'm just kidding. I won't do it. I won't touch. I won't even touch my bicycles for like 6 months. got trauma already.
There's a black cup.
Video.
See?
I thought you were kidding.
Yep.
Hey guys, we started here and then we have ended here. Time is 9:45.
Oh my gosh.
9:45. We started at 10:45 lah. That's 11 hours.
What? 11 hours?
11 hours, 80 km.
Yep.
Okay lah, not too bad for the first time.
With food.
Actually, we a lot of pit stop.
Yeah, we stopped a lot of times. Our lunch break is about 2 hours.
No choice really.
So 11, 10, 9 hours lah. 80 km. 1 hour about.
80 km is my highest ever.
Okay lah bro, I think it's time, you deserve a good rest.
Yeah, we do. So hit here to subscribe. No.
Click here for more.
Click here for more. No, actually there's no more. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna do
not
this
gonna do this
anymore.
really. I will throw my bicycle away.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Okay,
Bye.
bye bye. Ciao. Ciao.